Brelly, you better skull. Because I really don't want to skull out here when I'm lagging. So you skull and I'll give your stuff back. Log back in. Yes. Get about 57, that's what. Okay, just follow. Huh? Is he like lagging side to side to the tree? And that means he's following or attacking. Oh god, don't lose connection. It better not crash. Come on, we gotta run through the non-multi. Run, 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 run! Oh, he's just lagging like that. I feel like killing him myself. Swords down through the bottom. Guy hit me. God dang. God, I'm lagging like heck. Damn, 10. Nice. Okay, now I gotta get your stuff and give it back. There we go, I got everything. I'm gonna try to kill this damn 57 dude. He's running! Huh? If this lagging keeps up, I will. Ugh.